So what we want to do is get a towel or a circular pillow like this, put it at the base of your neck, and let your head hang. The idea is to get to 20 minutes a day to help relax the back and stretch the muscles and ligaments in the front.
To do your towel time or your pillow time, what you want to do is take your pillow, lay it on the floor, and snug it up to your shoulders so your head and your shoulders are touching the floor, and you should feel a gentle upward pressure in your neck. What this does, in addition to helping with posture, gravity, relaxing your neck over the pillow, it also puts the neck into extension, which turns off your fight or flight response. So it's a parasympathetic exercise. We get triggered all the time into this kind of posture from stress. And so spending a little time on your back with your neck in extension, and you can add your arms out to the side like this or like this to help you relax.